Hey there! Welcome to a journey that's going to open up a whole new world of possibilities. Imagine having a chat with an AI that can write, think, and understand like a human. That's ChatGPT, the virtual conversation buddy that's making waves in the digital landscape. Artificial intelligence and chatbots have been transforming the way we interact with technology, but ChatGPT takes it to a whole new level. It's sparking conversations, generating content, and even inspiring creators from all corners of the globe. In this video, we'll explore what it is, how it works, and reveal the incredible real-world applications. Whether you're a creator, a student, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about AI, this video has something amazing for you. So, grab a seat, get ready to be amazed, and if you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So, let's dive right in. Chapter number 1. What is ChatGPT? Today, we're talking about something cool, ChatGPT. So, what's ChatGPT? You ask? Well, think of it as a smart chat buddy created by OpenAI in San Francisco. And the best part? You can use it right in your web browser at chat.openai.com. It's like texting a super smart friend. Now, what makes ChatGPT special? It's all thanks to its super smart brain, called LLM, which means Large Language Model. That's just a fancy way of saying it talks and understands like a human. But what can it do for you? Well, it's a walking encyclopedia. It can chat with you about history, philosophy, culture, and tons more. It can even help you write song lyrics or create computer code. So, ChatGPT is like your friendly neighborhood AI, ready to chat about anything you want. Chapter number 2. How does ChatGPT work? Okay, let's get into how ChatGPT works, but we'll keep it simple. Imagine ChatGPT is like a super smart computer. It's built on something called GPT 3.5, which is just the technology that makes it smart to talk with you. Now, here's how it learned to be so smart. It read a lot, like a whole library of internet stuff. This helped it understand all kinds of words and ideas. The more it read, the smarter it got. It's like how you get better at something the more you practice. When you type something to ChatGPT, it's like asking a question to your super smart friend. It thinks about what you said and gives you an answer that sounds just like a real person talking to you. So, ChatGPT is super smart because it learned from reading a lot of internet stuff and talks back to you like a real person. Chapter number 3. How to getting started with ChatGPT. Now it's time to see how ChatGPT works in a snap. Let's break it down step by step. Number 1. Create your OpenAI account. First, you'll need an OpenAI account. And guess what? It's absolutely free. No need to pay anything. Just go to chat.openai.com. When you're on the website, you'll see a button that says Sign Up. Click on it to begin. Now, here's the cool part. You can choose how you want to sign up. You can use your email, or if you like it easy, you can use your Google or Microsoft account. If you pick the email option, there's a small step where you'll need to confirm you're a real person and not a sneaky computer program. It's like a little security check, and if you already have an OpenAI account, then click Log In, and you're all set to start chatting with ChatGPT. Now let's talk about when things don't go as planned. If you're having any issues signing up or logging in, try the simple trick of reloading the page. It often solves the problem. But if you run into any specific issues, OpenAI has your back with some troubleshooting tips. They're like a guide to help you figure things out. Number 2. Ask ChatGPT a question. First, type your question or prompt in the message bar on the home page. Next, hit Enter or click the paper plane icon to send your query. But if you're a ChatGPT Plus user, here's where it gets exciting. You can enable the internet browsing feature, in beta, for up-to-the-minute information. Just click GPT-4 and choose Browse with Bing. If you can't see this feature, we've got you covered. Click on your profile and go to Settings and Beta. In the Settings window, hit Beta Features. Then, flip the switch next to Browse with Bing to turn it on. Now, you're all set to experience ChatGPT's browsing feature while chatting. Enjoy the freshest info at your fingertips. Number 3. Interact with ChatGPT's responses. Next, we'll share a step-by-step guide on how to interact with ChatGPT's responses. Input your prompt. Start by typing your question or prompt into the message box on ChatGPT's homepage. This is where you initiate the conversation. Send your query. Once you've entered your prompt, press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the Send icon, usually represented as a paper plane. This action tells ChatGPT to generate a response. Review the response. ChatGPT will quickly generate a response based on your prompt. Take a moment to read and understand what it has generated. Interact with the response. Now, here's where the fun begins. You have several options to interact with ChatGPT's response. Enter a new prompt. If you want to continue the conversation or ask a follow-up question, you can start typing in the message box again and press Enter. Regenerate the response. If you're not quite satisfied with the initial response or want to see different variations, you can click a Regenerate button, if available, to get an updated response. Copy the response. If it contains valuable information or insights, copy it to your clipboard for future reference. This is especially handy for research or note-taking. Share the response. If you want to share the response with others, there's often an option to do so. It could be a Share button, or copying and pasting the response into an email, chat, or document. Like or dislike the response. Some platforms or applications allow you to provide feedback by liking or disliking a response. Your feedback helps ChatGPT improve its performance. Continue the conversation. You can keep the conversation going by entering new prompts and interacting with the responses in the same way. ChatGPT is designed to engage in dynamic and ongoing conversations. That's it. You're all set to interact with ChatGPT's responses and make the most of your AI-powered conversations. Enjoy exploring and discovering new information with ChatGPT. Chapter number 4: How to use ChatGPT for business. Now get ready to dive into the boundless possibilities of GPT technology and how it's reshaping the way businesses operate. You can use the OpenAI API to customize your website, supercharging customer support and lead generation. But that's not all. ChatGPT is your business strategy wizard. Just tell it your goals, budget, and business specifics, and watch it craft marketing strategies, set goals, and define your mission. And for content creators, ChatGPT is your trusty sidekick. It generates content ideas, writes blog posts, crafts social media captions, and fine-tunes your existing content. The possibilities are endless. It can create interview questions, design training programs, and translate emails. If you can dream it, ChatGPT can do it. And guess what? It's always learning from your prompts, getting smarter with each interaction. Chapter number 5: Tips for effective use. Now you've got the hang of using ChatGPT, let's take it up a notch. Here are some handy tips to make the most out of your ChatGPT experience. Tip number 1: Be clear and specific. ChatGPT is super smart, but it still needs clear instructions. The more specific you are with your questions, the better the answers you'll get. Tip number 2: Experiment. Feel free to try different prompts. ChatGPT can surprise you with various responses, so feel free to experiment to find the best one. Tip number 3: Review and edit. ChatGPT is clever, but it could be better. Always take a moment to review the generated content and make any necessary edits to ensure accuracy and clarity. Tip number 4: Use it responsibly. ChatGPT can generate all sorts of content, but remember to use it ethically and responsibly. Avoid generating harmful or misleading information. Chapter number 6: Real-world applications. Now let's talk about the real-world magic that ChatGPT can bring to your life. This isn't just any chatbot. It's a versatile tool with tons of practical applications. Application number 1: Content creation. Are you a writer, blogger, or content creator? ChatGPT can help you draft articles, blog posts, and even social media content. It's like having a writing assistant by your side. Application number 2, learning and research. Students and researchers, listen up. ChatGPT can assist you with homework, research papers, and generating insights from vast datasets. It's your study buddy 24/7. Application number 3, coding assistance. ChatGPT can help you with coding challenges and generating code snippets if you're a programmer. It's like having a coding guru right there with you. Application number 4, customer support. Businesses, take note. ChatGPT can provide automated customer support, answer common queries, and assist your customers in real time, improving their experience. Application number 5, idea generation. Whether you're an artist or a creative thinker, ChatGPT can spark your imagination. It can generate ideas for art projects, storylines, and more. And there you have it, folks, our journey into the world of ChatGPT. We've uncovered what it is, how it works, and all the amazing ways you can use it in the real world. If you found this video helpful and want to stay updated on the latest tech and innovation, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And of course, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.